The Battle of the Birds. In 1258, during the Mongol siege of Baghdad, a legend emerged. To infiltrate the city, the Mongols captured thousands of pigeons and tied flaming twigs to their legs. When released, the birds instinctively flew back to their nests within the city, setting rooftops ablaze and spreading chaos. The ingenious tactic forced the city's defenses to collapse, showcasing the terrifying blend of strategy and cruelty that defined Mongol warfare. To this day, the Battle of the Birds remains a chilling reminder of how even nature can be weaponized in war.